Hey folks, welcome to the Fiery Furnace Forge Blacksmithing YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing a little video to show you how to properly use my 4-piece drift set. Alright, let's take a closer look at the drift set. The drift set comes in 4 different sizes: 3/8, half, 5/8, and 3/4. Alright, this is the 3/8 opener drift. It is designed to fit into your slot punched holes and open them up. It's got a slight reverse taper so that when you've driven it all the way through, it falls through freely. All of the rest of the drifts have a long, slender taper for going into the hole that you've already made and opened, sizing it here to the finished size, and then a reverse taper to fall through freely. These drifts are made from new 1045 medium carbon steel. Alright, we're going to use our 3/8 inch opener to start to open our 5/8 inch hole. Now we're going to go with our 5/8 inch drift and drift the hole out. This is going to be done from both sides. Five 5/8 inch hole and 5/8 inch square stock.